Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your Steam password step by step. Start by opening the Steam application on your computer. Make sure you are logged in to your account. In the top left corner, click on the word Steam. A small menu will appear. From that menu, click on Settings. Once the Settings window opens, look on the left side and click on Account. On the right side of the window, you will see your account details. Find the button that says Change Password and click on it. A new window will pop up. Steam will ask how you want to change your password. If you know your current password, choose the option that says, I know my current password. Then, enter your current password and click Next. Now you can type your new password. Make sure it's something strong that you can remember. Type it once, then type it again to confirm. Click Change Password to finish. If you do not remember your current password, choose the option that says, I forgot my password. Steam will then guide you through the steps to reset it using your email or phone number linked to your account. Once your password has been changed, Steam might log you out of other devices for security. You'll need to log in again with your new password. That's it. Your Steam password is now updated. Thanks for watching.